Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic project management plan. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to project management and PMP exam point of view. This is a very important topic and friend, let me tell you that it is a very important topic, and with respect to exam point of view, if you are a student of project management and planning to give exam in university for project management, or you are planning to give exam at PMP, so friend, this is a very important topic. And directly indirectly 15 to 20 questions you will definitely see in the exam, which are maybe directly related to project management plan or indirectly related to project management plan, so you can understand that how much it is important to understand the concept of project management plan. Also, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, so again this topic is very important, that how to make the project management plan, because if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, so you must know, you must be able to build make a project management plan. As a project manager, this is a very important thing that you must know. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project management plan. See friend, here there are three terms: project management plan. So first of all, project management plan means that it's a document. Okay, just try to understand. First of all, it's a document which we are referring. Which type of document we see in detail now. So project management plan, first of all I would like to ask from you that do you know that what is a project? What do you think that what is a project? If I ask from you that what do you think that what is a project, just think about it. Friend, as per the definition of PMI, a project is basically a temporary thing which produce some unique output or result, that is called as project. What does that mean? Friend, temporary means that it is temporary, means that it has some starting point and ending point, and after some time it will finish and it produce some desired output or result. Okay, so that is called as project. For example, if you are making a mobile application for a bank, so for example it will this project will start in for example in June and it will finish in December 2020. So it will be a project and it will produce a desired output or result as mobile application. See friend, here the desired output is not basically the mobile application. The desired output is that the customer satisfaction should increase, the revenue should increase, complaints about the system should decrease, etc. So friend, basically project means that it is a temporary thing which produce some desired result, that is called as project. Now coming more about detail, project manager. Who is project manager? Again, if I ask from you that what do you think that who is project manager? Friend, project manager is a person who is responsible as a whole. He is the captain of the team and he should be responsible for planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, closing of a project. So overall he is responsible for the project, how the project will initiate, how the project will move forward, how the things will move, how the things will control, how the things will close. So as a whole, basically just think of a project manager as a captain of the team. Okay, so he is the captain of the team who knows each and everything about the project. He has a clear visibility about the scope of a project, that what needs to be done and how needs to be done. Okay, first of all, as a project manager he should know that what needs to be done as per the scope, and how needs to be done it will be mentioned in the project management plan, and according to the project management plan he needs to execute the project. So a project manager is a person who is responsible for overall project, either success or failure of a project. So now coming towards our main topic, project management plan. Friend, uh, friend, unfortunately most of the people think that project management plan means a simple schedule in the MPP format or MS Project. Most of the people, let me tell you that around 60 to 70% people think in market, in the industry, they think that project management plan means that a simply a Gantt chart. Whenever we talk about project management plan, they are basically referring to the Gantt chart or the MPP file or MS project file or a schedule, you can say that when tasks are starting, when tasks are finishing. Honestly saying, friend, if you take this concept with you in the PMP exam, honestly, let me tell you that you will never pass the exam. Honestly saying, I'm telling you that with this concept, with this approach, you can't clear the exam of PMP, because as per the definition of PMP or as per the definition of PMI, project management plan is a much bigger than the very small thing of Gantt chart. When we talk about Gantt chart, basically Gantt chart means that simply Gantt chart means that MS project file, you can say that, which contains the task, start date and end date, and you can say that when the project will be starting and when project will be finishing. It can be used for schedule. You can just say that it is a schedule. A simply example shown here, I have tried to explain here. So friend, whenever we talk about project management plan, it doesn't mean that it doesn't mean a schedule. We Whenever we talk about project management plan, basically it defines that how is project is executed, monitored, controlled, and how the things will move on. Try to understand here, friend. Whenever we are talking about project management plan, basically we are referring that how the project will initiate, how things will move forward, how things will execute, how things will be monitored and controlled, and how things will be closed. So as a document, just think of a project management plan as a document, as a complete document which defines all these things. Okay, not never think that project management plan mean a simple schedule. If you take this concept in the exam, you will honestly saying you can't pass the exam of PMP. So for a friend, whenever we talk about project management plan, basically project manager is responsible to create the project management plan. Basically he talks with multiple stakeholder like technical leads, customer, and after taking input from multiple stakeholder and the team members, he creates a formal project management plan. Remember one thing, that project management plan should have all the necessary information, that how the project will execute, how the things will move forward, execute, monitor and control, and closing. And the project management plan needs to be approved from the senior management as well. Okay, this is very necessary, that project management plan should be properly approved by the senior management. Secondly, things that, friend, project management plan becomes a baseline for your performance. Like for example, your project management tells you that in the 5 months the project should be completed. So by taking the baseline means that you can measure the performance of your project in terms of cost, scope, time, with respect to project management plan. For example, the project management plan says that the cost assigned for a project is $5,000, for let's assume. Okay, so if you spend more than 5,000, like you spend $6,000, so that means that you are in negative, that you have spent more than the assigned budget. Similarly, if the assigned cost was $5,000 and you have completed the project in $4,000, so that means you are in surplus of $1,000 and you have completed profit of $1,000. Okay, so basically whatever you have mentioned in the project management plan, it basically becomes a baseline for a project. The main components of project management plans are basically baseline for scope, schedule, cost, also quality management plan, human resource management plan, communication, risk, procurement, requirement management plan, change management plan, configuration management plan, process improvement plan. So friend, basically whenever we talk about project management plan, we are basically referring to multiple plans basically. Okay, not only a simply a schedule, we are basically referring to scope, schedule, cost, communication, change management plan, configuration management plan, process improvement plan. So there are multiple plans should be included, should be mentioned in the project management plan. It should be a part of a document. Okay, so basically project management plans basically are referring to basically referring to a set of plans which contains like a scope management plan, risk, issue management plan, change management plan, quality management plan. Basically you are referring to that how you will manage multiple dynamic multiple aspects of a project like scope, quality, cost, communication, change management, process improvement. How will you manage all these factors of a project? This is very important, and you should have a clear vision in your mind that how you will document, how you will manage all these aspects of a project. So you should have to be a very good skills of planning for all these factors. So friend, here just want to show you a very simple example of a project management plan. Just remember, just imagine that project management plan is basically, you can say it is a word document. You can say it is a word document which contains all the planning related to all the major factors of a project like scope, cost, human resource, communication, quality, issues, change management, configuration management, process improvement. All these factors should be covered with respect to planning in the project management plan. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.